This is the second video of this is the second part of the lucky bag opening, and it's the same day. It's like right after I opened my Adidas bag, but I wanted to change my sweater because I thought that it would be awkward to have the same sweater in just two videos after each other. And I thought pink, maybe like this kind of color suits more to Cecile McBee, which I would consider a little bit more feminine than other stores that you might know. But most of the articles are really like more elegant, feminine. And the reason why I got this is because I wanted to try this kind of style lucky bag, because I would consider my style a little bit, I don't want to say elegant, but sometimes I do like feminine things. Like I like pink obviously, and purple. Anyway, another reason why I got it is because this bag that I bought last year, it's a backpack, and it looks like this. It's the only thing I have from Cecile McBee, but it's so cute, and it wasn't the cheapest. Like Cecile McBee's prices are not really cheap. I would even say they're almost as much as Adidas prices. And the bag is super heavy. I mean, there is a coat inside, which I saw, and it's actually not bad. I just hope it will fit me, like from the length and everything. I don't know why I didn't try it. I think I was just too lazy, and I just hoped that it would fit me. Usually, like clothes for the top part in Japan, they usually fit me, except they're too tight on the breast part. But usually that's okay. It's not a big problem. But bottoms like pants. Usually pants don't fit me. Sometimes skirts are also too tight, but usually pants don't really fit me in Japan. Yeah, I can't change that. Still, it's okay. I'm sure that maybe this year I will get a little bit fitter and maybe get a little bit slimmer, which is not really my goal. I just want to be a little bit more, like a little bit healthier. Anyway, I'm really looking forward for this lucky bag, and I'm sure that there will be some, like, quite a lot of things that I will like. And the store itself, it has a lot of clothes that I could wear for work maybe, but even some things I would consider buying for day-to-day use. What I hope that I will get is a Fila sweater, because they have a lot of these Fila sweaters, but I don't know if they will put them in the lucky bag, because it's like, you know, it's a brand and usually people like Fila, so I don't think that they have problems selling Fila products. But yeah, fingers crossed. I will open this now, and I have to cut this. And I really like the bag, and I really hope I will get another bag in this. Yeah, let's open again. I will not look. I will not look. Let's see what I can. Oh, is this a necklace? Wait, this is too full. I can't pull anything out from the bottom. I have to... Oh! Okay, the first thing, I already like it. It's a sweater. And it's so cute! Actually, I don't have a lot of winter clothes. I brought a lot from home. Well, actually, I brought a lot of summer clothes from home. I only brought like 4 sweaters or something, including this one. And this is another sweater that I will wear this winter. Is it like a dress? I think it could be a dress. It looks super long. If it's a dress, it's even better. And it looks super wide, but I'm afraid that it's not see-through. And I really love the colors. I love the combination of black and pink, or like this is more like purple, like light purple. But I really like the combination of black and like girly colors. Yeah, I really like that, and this is already very, very nice. This was 5,900 yen, so the bag, oh yeah, the lucky bag was 10,000 yen. This actually could be worn as a dress as well, I think, and I really like it. It's so cute. Oh my god, is it too short? I'm not sure, but it could be a dress. I think it is a dress. So, let's get out the coat. This is the coat. Yeah, I got the black one, which I'm happy because white coats? No, thank you. Although white would look really nice on pictures, but to be honest, it gets super dirty, and in Japan, having white clothes is a curse. It feels really nice. I like that you can make a ribbon. Oh, okay, so it's not like already made, because in the store it looked like the ribbon looked like a already made ribbon and you can't put it off. So you could also just like tie it up casually. The arms could be a little bit short and maybe a little bit tight. Like if I'm wearing a thick sweater, I think this could be a little bit too tight. In general, I wouldn't consider this a thick coat, but I don't really have a black winter coat. I only have a black autumn, like a autumn or spring coat. So this is actually nice that I have it. The coat is more expensive than the whole bag. It's 12,800. So definitely, it's already, with the coat, it's already worth it. Okay, so this is the jacket, and I just put it on this sweater. And it is a little bit tight at the arms. And let me see if I can close it, or if it's gonna be too tight when I close it. But it doesn't feel to be tight. Yeah, you can. Oh, it's a little bit tight at the breast area. So it's a little bit hard to breathe with this. But if I wear a thinner sweater or something, and I can't do the same ribbon as they did in the store, but I would just leave it maybe, or I could just make a ribbon at the back or something. So this jacket is actually really nice. It's black. You can always use a black jacket. I might make a ribbon at the back and just leave it at the back, because that's what they do here. The pockets are a little bit too tight. And the hoodie, actually the hoodie is really good. It's not too big. Usually the hoodies are too big, and when I move my head, I can't see it, like to the left and to the right. But this hoodie is actually really good. It's not too big, and I can just put it like a little bit up here. And I like the hoodie, actually. It's my favorite part of this jacket. Yeah, the arms are a little bit tight, but I can still move, and the breast area is a little bit too tight. Other than that, it's actually okay. This is, what is that? It's something white, which usually I'm not, but it's like a blurred white. It's like a beige white or something. It's not like clean white. Is this? What is that? Oh wow, it's like a jacket, and it has like a tie thing which I can tie up like a bathrobe. If this is like a bathrobe style, I already like it. Seriously, there is no price tag. Actually, it has parts here to put it in, and I feel like the collar is a little bit better now. I figured it out better this time, and yeah, I still love it. It's really cute. I like it. Next one. Oh. Okay, this might be the first item that I don't like. It's super fluffy though, but... Oh, it's a blanket! Okay, it's cute. What's that? It's a jeans? Oh wow! Actually, I don't have enough jeans. I only have these, and I brought one from home. And it actually looks like jeggings, so it might fit me. Yeah! Oh wow, it's really nice. And the size looks okay. It looks bigger than the shorts, and I got into them. So these are like, yeah, I could fit in these. So this has a price tag. This is 5,900. So the pants didn't fit me. Yeah, and to be honest, they smell really bad. They smell like chemicals. It's something... Oh no. It is a weird sweater with weird writing. I really love Japanese style clothes, but what I don't like is the weird writing on everything. Oh, it's like a... Oh my god, there's dust everywhere. Damn. Actually, it's like a sweater, which is not too bad. I'm gonna wear this at home or like when I have to go to the konbini or something. And oh, it's super warm inside. So it says conceit is much fine, life is only once. Seriously, if there was no text on this, it would be so much better. But yeah, whatever. So that's the weird sweater, which I actually really like. It feels it feels really good, and it actually has pockets, which I really like even more now. I'm just sad that there is this text in here, but I mean, if I'm having a lazy day at home or in a cafe or something, I can just wear this, I guess. I think it's nice. It's fun. Oh, okay, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite sweater. I love this. Oh, this is my color, by the way. This is like lavenderish. It's like this color, like lavender, and it's super soft. I'm a little bit worried that it will be fuzzy, but I'm pulling it out, but it doesn't feel like that. This is one of my favorites. I really like this. I could also wear this to work. I could wear this every day if I go somewhere, and it fits really well with some of my pants that I have, so this is very good. So yeah, this is my favorite sweater, and it, like, wearing it is even better. I don't know, it just fits perfectly to my body, I think. Like, it feels like it was made for my body, and it feels super soft. I love this. I want to wear this right away. I have like so many clothes that I could combine this with, and I could even wear this to work. It's just amazing. It's so nice. I love it. Ooh, another jacket? Is this a dress? Oh, it looks super nice. Please fit me. What is this? Oh, huh? What is that? It's a dress and it's super cute. Oh my god. Please fit me. Please. But it's again, here it's like stretch. So it might fit me. I swear to god, if this doesn't fit me, I'm gonna lose weight just for this. This is, oh, this is so cute. I love it. I love this so much. It's like stretchy here as well, so it might fit me. Yeah, it might fit me actually. I just hope that it won't look like I'm pregnant or something. Oh my god, I really like this. I don't know why. This is not really something I would wear, but I don't know, like, I really like the style of this, that it's here at the waist. It's like this, and then it goes up, and it's like this. I really like this part. It's super cute. It's just exactly what you see. I'm really surprised. Wow. This would not have been something I would have picked up. This is the thing about lucky bags. You end up buying and wearing things that you would not have worn. I'm happy that it fits me. This is my favorite part, like favorite item, I think. And oh, it's already empty. It's over. No bags. I got no bags from this. I'm a little bit sad that I didn't get any bags, but to be honest, I like everything. I like everything that I got. The sweater is a little bit weird, but I can still wear this at home. So wow, yeah, this is so worth it. This, like, I'm amazed by this. Right, so this is everything. 8 pieces, including the blanket. So it actually is 7 clothing items, and one of them I can't wear, which is the jeggings, which I'm not really so sad about. So my favorites of course, this dress, because this is something that I would look at in the store but not buy, because I would think that it doesn't suit me or it's not my style. But wearing this, I'm like, ha, this is actually really nice. And this is my second favorite. The sweater, I really like this. I'm so lucky that I got something like normal clothes. Anyway, the Cecile McBee lucky bag was really worth it. I don't know if I would have bought all of them, but I'm sure I would have bought the 2 sweaters. Like, if it was just me looking for sweaters, I would have bought these ones. So yeah, I hope this is gonna be a good sign for this year to be even better than last year. So I hope you enjoyed this lucky bag video. I know it's really late. It's because I was in Germany and I couldn't be here for the 2nd of January for the lucky bag shopping, which is going on for the whole day, from morning till evening basically. My friends went and I'm so envious of them. I'm like, I wanna go too. But yeah, next year I'm gonna be there on time. I hope you enjoyed this and thank you for watching, and I hope you also had a great day and I hope you had a great start to the new year. And if you liked this video, yeah, you can leave your comments below and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Instagram, which I will have linked below in the description. And yeah, see you in the next video, which is not gonna be a lucky bag one, unfortunately. Oh, I'm gonna be broke. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.